everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to get into a wig that SuperNova sent on over, and this is going to be their U-part wig. This is a 12-inch bob U-part. This is my first U-part wig, y'all, so I'm going to attempt to put it on. Yeah, we're going to see what this is looking like, and then we're going to apply it and yeah, go from there. You get two beige wig caps. I'm not quite sure what you would do with the wig cap because, you know, this is a U part. It isn't a lace front. Oh, you also get this bands. I think this is so that you can adjust the size of your wig to make it more snug. So this is how the U part is looking. It looks like this. So this is 12 inches. It's Brazilian straight hair, and this is how the front looks. You have this band going across right here, and then you have a not a cap, a comb. You have combs going around the perimeter so that you can put it on the top of your head. You have combs all on the inside, and you have an adjustable strap. Okay, so from what I feel like I can gather from this, I'm going to section off my hair at the top. So I'm just going to take like a U-part section of my hair from the front. Then I'm going to put the rest of my hair into a ponytail. And then what I'm gonna do is kind of tuck it into like a little bun like this. Okay. I'm quite sure you cut this band. I can't see why you would leave it. So I'm going to cut that band. I guess this is almost, is this kind of like a toupee? Like, would you kind of compare it to a toupee? Hold on, y'all. Gotta bring it up. You probably could get away with using bobby pins too for this. My hair is longer than this wig, so I will probably have to, you know, add curls to this. But this is definitely, my hair dirty too, yeah. But this is definitely a way to preserve your edges. Not wear lace if you're not into lace, or if you maybe need to take a break from the lace. Yeah, I kind of want to stick with making this like a straight out the box type of a thing, but man, the tips of this needs to be curled because they're flipped. I kind of like that flip. I gotta see how the back look, because like I said, my natural hair is longer. Let me turn around. Yeah, so if you're like me, you definitely will want to add curls to this, because you can definitely see my strands of hair. But a curl in it will definitely solve that. Yeah, I like this idea, because if like your hair isn't done, like this is just another alternative to your hair, you know, being done. Like, yeah, or just even giving you fullness that you might not naturally have. I don't think I mind this. This is my first time having one, but yeah, I'm definitely liking being able to play around with this type of a look. Let me try. Look at my hair. But yeah, I like it. I like it. I'm gonna play around with it a little more, but I mean, out the box, you get the gist of it, you know. You definitely get the gist of it. This hair is super soft, and I actually like this little flip. I like this flip up. Well, at least right now I do, but I would straighten it out. But I actually would add curls to this. I would curl this. I would wand curl this. I wouldn't even straighten it. I would wand curl it, because that way that'll have my natural hair blend in a little more with it. But this is so cute. I love this idea. And then you don't have to worry about the lace in the front and all that kind of stuff. I'm loving this idea. And I kind of feel like too, it's blending like all right with my natural hair, which is why I always been a fan of Brazilian hair. When it comes to being black, I feel like if you're black, you need to stick to Brazilian hair, because that's the closest hair to our hair texture. The strands of hair are thicker and it's easier to curl. Yeah, so this is definitely a cute little look. Oh yeah. And I would recommend SuperNova. Like, this hair it's very inexpensive, and the way that it's blending, I don't have a primer or anything, so the way that it's blending with my natural hair, I definitely will recommend. It's so cute. It's so natural. Like, it looks so natural. And I guess because technically on the top it is, you know. So you're always going to look like yourself, you know. Such a natural look. I'm loving this, y'all. Lord, my battery's dying. So I'm going to wrap this up. And you definitely can curl it. You can wear it straight out the box if you like that flip. Or you can straighten it. Or you can wine curl it. I'm going to wine curl mine. This is such a cute look. Oh my god, I think I'm gonna like fall in love with these. Yes, because you still getting that feel of a wig, you know. You still getting that fullness that a wig could give you, except you got your hair out on the top, so you don't have to worry about lace and, you know, lace lifting, rubbing your edges out.